Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing with you all a theory that I have thought about. As you might have figured out from the title of this video, this theory is about quantum mechanics. As most of you might be familiar with the measurement problem in quantum mechanics, for those of you who might not be familiar with it, it is a problem that states that until you measure the state of a quantum particle, it is present as a probability of two or more states. But the moment you measure its state with a detector, then it doesn't measure it with a probability of, let's say, 50%. It always measures it with a probability of 1 or 0. Now let's come to my theory. What my theory suggests is that the quantum particles are in the shape of neither wave nor particle, but their shape is like this, single photon. That is, it is shaped as a quanta of wave. It is the first postulate of my theory. Now you might ask, what this shape has anything to do with probability? Well, this shape can answer why the photon, which is polarized in one direction, can still have some probability to pass through a direction at 45 degree to its current polarization direction. The second postulate my theory suggests is that this particle has some elasticity in it and some adherence to it, due to which when a photon comes in contact with a double slit or a single slit, it doesn't always reflect back. When photon's head gets tangled in the slit, then photon slides on the slit for a fraction of time and then it escapes from the slit at an angle which causes the interference pattern to appear on the screen, and this is the cause of single photon interference. The third postulate my theory suggests is that there is coherence in these quantum particles. That is, when these particles are present in large amounts, they cohere with each other to form a big wave. These bigger waves look like this. And this big wave is also somewhat elastic and it also has some adherence. Now when this big wave is polarized in say vertical direction, then it can't pass through the horizontally placed polarizer and vice versa. Okay, so these were the three postulates of my theory, and I think these postulates are sufficient to explain the quantum mechanics measurement problem. Also, they explain single photon interference and interference of double slit and single slit. So this was my theory. Thank you all for listening. If you like this theory, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.